Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Canizzato here. Today we're going to be making Spiedini Alla Romana, which is Italian grilled cheese. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is make my egg batter. And then come over here and start building my spiedini. I'm going to dip them in my egg. I'm going to drop my spiedini. It's going to be quick. And gently move them on all sides. They need to be golden. Here, the anchovies are basically disintegrate into the butter with the heat. I'm going to put in my white wine and then going to add my capers and little parsley right at the end. And it's done. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.